everyone, it's Kaylee here with MicroSurvey, and I'm going to take a couple minutes today and show you how to start up a new project and set up a connection in our new FieldGenius for Android. Okay, going into the program, it's quickly loading up. Okay, so this is the screen that you see when you first open up the program. On your left-hand side, you can see all of the different projects that you've already worked on and saved. Up in the top right-hand corner, there's a button that says New Project. That's what you want to hit on. You then can enter your project name. We're going to call this project Parking Lot, because we're going to do some surveying in a parking lot. Okay, you then can set your distance units. We're in Canada, so we're going to keep it at meters, but you have the option to go US survey feet or international feet. You select your angle units. You can select your coordinate system. The little icon on the right-hand side, you can click and it will load up all of the coordinate systems. There's all kinds there depending on where you're at, but we're going to stick with our UTM 83. Then we can select our vertical system from the list as well, and then hit Create Project. Okay, this brings you to kind of like the project manager screen. And from here, you go to select instrument. Any instruments that you've previously connected to will already have a profile and it'll be saved in there. We're going to add a profile. We're going to select the make. Today we have a Pentax receiver. And it's the G6 model. And it automatically populates the profile name on the bottom, so you don't have to type anything in. You're going to hit Create. So set up communication. It'll then ask to set up your Bluetooth. You make sure that the receiver's on and sending out the Bluetooth signal, and then you can search for your device on the screen. Just searching for devices. Okay, and then all of the options are going to pop up here. We want the PN17, and then hit Connect. Okay, we have a connection. Then we want to set up our corrections. We're going to go RTK via internet and set up our internet. We'll cut this part out, but we will put our APN in here. Once you have your data source selected, you can set up your format. Ours is going to be CMR. And then hit Done, and then hit Connect. And now it's going to configure. Okay, so we're all connected. You know, that takes a couple minutes to set up when you get started, but once you set it up the first time, you'll be able to quickly just select it from your list and not have to go through all that. Okay, so now that we're all connected, this is a screen that you would be looking at. We don't have any preloaded data in this project yet, so you're not seeing much on the screen yet. But you can see your feedback along the top, which if you click on with your finger, it will show you kind of the different options depending on what your preferences and requirements are. Also in the top right-hand corner, there's your settings that you can hit You can set up your antenna height here at any time. So we'll do that. Select the measure point. And then we can also set up the active tolerances. So depending on what type of surveying you're doing, you can select how many observations are taken per shot and what your required standard deviation is. We have a couple different options here for control and topo. We'll select topo, but you can also change these at any time just by hitting the icon on the right. Also on the right-hand bar that you see here, you can also click on your PDOPs and scroll through those to see the different residuals there as well. Okay everyone, thanks for watching this video on how to set up a project in our new FieldGenius for Android. Stay tuned to learn some more stuff about some of the different functionality in our exciting new product.